Hey everyone! This is going to be a surfer shawl and I'm using a 4.5mm crochet hook. You can also use a bigger hook if you like. You also need a tapestry needle for sewing later. Please find all the material links in the description box. We're going to crochet the widths first and continue in rows for the length. First, attach a slip knot to your crochet hook. Work a chain of 18. Make sure your stitches are loose. So your stitch number is a multiple of 18. You can make a thin scarf or a bigger shawl if you like. My starting chain is about 45 centimeters long. After your first 18 stitches, you can have a look if it's big enough or not. If not, just add 18 more stitches and so on. My chain is big enough and we're going to crochet row 1. Start with a wrong double crochet. Now crochet only double crochets across the row. Stitch through the back purl for a nice edging. That's our first row. Row 2 and 3 will be nearly the same. Start with a wrong double crochet. Crochet double crochets across the row. Use both loops of your stitch. These are our 3 rows double crochets and now we're going to crochet the wave pattern. For row 4, chain 1. Crochet 3 single crochets. Then chain 1, skip 1 stitch, crochet 1 half double crochet. Chain 1, skip 1 stitch and crochet 1 double crochet. Chain 1, skip 1 stitch and crochet 3 treble crochets. Chain 1, skip 1 stitch, crochet 1 double crochet. Chain 1, skip 1 stitch, crochet 1 half double crochet. Chain 1, skip 1 stitch, crochet 5 single crochets. Now we're going to repeat from this part again. Chain 1, skip 1 stitch, 1 half double crochet. Chain 1, skip 1 stitch, 1 double crochet. Chain 1, skip 1 stitch, 3 treble crochets. chain 1, skip 1 stitch, 1 double crochet, chain 1, skip 1 stitch, 1 half double crochet, chain 1, skip 1 stitch, 5 single crochets. That's how our pattern works. I had 2 single crochets at the end. Now we're going to crochet row 5. We will repeat here all stitches as a mirror. Chain 1. We had 2 single crochets at least, so we start to crochet 2 single crochets. Chain 1, crochet 1 half double crochet exactly over the previous half double crochet. Chain 1, crochet 1 double crochet over the previous double crochet. Chain 1, crochet 3 treble crochets over the previous treble crochets. Chain 1, 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 half double crochet, chain 1, 5 single crochets. I think you got the idea how to work row 5, so continue. This is our work so far, and row 6 will be only double crochets. Crochet 1 wrong double crochet and work 1 double crochet in each stitch. If you have a space, work under the space, not through the stitch. After this row, we're going to crochet a displaced wave, which completes our mountains and valleys. For row 7, chain 4 stitches. Crochet 1 treble crochet into the next stitch. Chain 1, skip 1 stitch, 1 double crochet. Chain 1, skip 1 stitch, 1 half double crochet. Chain 1, 5 single crochets. Chain 1, 1 half double crochet. Chain 1, 1 double crochet. Chain 1, 3 treble crochets. Chain 1, 1 double crochet, and so on across the row. Start row 8 by chaining 4 stitches and 1 additional stitch for the space in between. Crochet 1 double crochet over the previous double crochet. chain 1, 1 half double crochet over the previous half double crochet, chain 1, 5 single crochets over single crochets, and so on across the row. And as you can see, our waves complete themselves. Next row, number 9. Start with a wrong double crochet and crochet double crochets across the row. This is our work after row 9. Now start again at row 4. You repeat row 4 till 9 all the time. My shawl is done so far. At the beginning we had only 1 row double crochets between our waves. Later I crocheted 2 rows double crochets in between. Then I crocheted 3 rows. And later 4 rows double crochets in between. Here you can see the difference. So our shawl is 45 centimeters wide and 150 centimeters long. So I hope this tutorial was a new idea. Happy crocheting, and until next time, bye bye!